All right, good morning, everyone. How's it going? Sorry about that. I hope everyone's doing well today. I wanted to show you something that just came across my desk, just came across my computer in my emails. Guys, there is a crazy new way to make $500 cash through Discover. Discover is offering they have a new program. Sorry, I'm just trying to link up my screen here so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Is that my phone or? Yep. All right, so we are live. And guys, I wanted to show you guys how you can make $500 through Discover. So Discover is a credit card company. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. They're a really good company. But they're doing a referral program right now. I got an email for it. And if you refer one person to join Discover, you get $50. So you can do up to 10 people. So you can get up to $500. And the first link in the description is for you to sign up. I'll get $50 and you get $50. And that's in statement credit. So say you buy $50 worth of groceries, you know, that'll be free because it's through the Discover card, statement credit. And so all you guys want to do, I have it saved right here. This is what it's going to look like. So that's my email, that's my email address there. So basically, refer a friend and get a $50 statement credit. And this is what it's going to send to your friends when you have it. It's going to send, become a Discover card member and get a $50 statement credit when you make their first purchase within 3 months. So this is my code here. It's going to be the first link in the description. Guys, it's plain and simple. You can get $500 and then $50 just for clicking that link and signing up. So yeah, Discover. You tell friends about Discover via email, Facebook, or Twitter, or YouTube, or whatever you want. They click your link and apply and become card members and make a purchase in the first 3 months. Guys, this seems very straightforward. Discover is obviously trying to get a bunch of new card members, and it's good for them. $50 is nothing for this company. Literally, it's pennies, if that. They're probably worth $1 billion. And I think you can do this every single year. So it's basically like an extra $500 a year. Let's look at the fine print. You will receive a $50 statement credit referral reward if your friend applies for the specific offer you send via the link provided and is approved by December 31st, 2018. That's like another till the end of the year. Maximum 10 referral rewards per calendar year. You're not eligible to refer a friend if you have a Discover business card, business mile, essential. I think I have the student one, so you might have to be a student to do this. I'm not completely sure, but just go ahead and click the link below and see what you can do. Guys, they have home equity loans, personal loans, student loans, gift cards, banking. I just use it as a simple plain credit card. I use it and then I pay it off. You know, it's a way for me to build my credit. And a really good thing about this is that you can see your credit score through Discover for free. You can check it whenever you want. So please allow 1 to 2 billing periods for the statement credit to post to your account after each referral is approved. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, let me know how it goes if you get the $500. Yeah, let's do it. I'm doing it too, so I'm inviting all you guys to do it. So the first 10 people to do this will be mine, and then you guys will also in return get 10 more people. And I don't make any money from you guys doing it. I'm just giving you guys a way to make extra money because I think it's wonderful what Discover's doing. I think more companies should do stuff like this where they just pay people to refer their friends. Yeah, I mean, Discover can obviously give out $50 because they're a huge company, but other companies, you know, $5, $10, I would do that. I would tell my friends about, you know, joining a game app if I get $5 for doing it. Anyways, have a great rest of your day, guys, or great night if you're laying in bed watching this. All right, see you all soon. Peace.